In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wix links not working. 2020 26 guide. Broken or inactive links can make your site feel unreliable. So let's walk through a quick, reliable process to get your buttons and text links working exactly as they should. First, confirm the spelling and format of the link inside the Wix editor. Click the element that isn't working, whether it's a button, an image, or a text link, then open its link settings. Read the URL slowly, character by character. One stray letter, an extra space, or a missing HTTPS can cause a dead end. If you're linking to a page on your own site, use the built-in option to select a page rather than pasting a full web address. For external sites, paste the complete URL, including HTTPS and make sure there aren't double slashes or hidden spaces at the beginning or end. Decide whether it should open in the same tab or a new one, then save and test. A quick way to confirm the address is valid is to paste it directly into a new browser tab and see if it loads as expected. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Your browser may be serving an older, cached version of your site that still holds broken link data. Open your browser's settings, go to History, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Check cached images and files and cookies, then confirm the clear. Keep in mind this may sign you out of some sites. Reload your Wix page afterward and try the link again. If you want a faster check before clearing everything, open a private or incognito window and test the link there to bypass most cached content. If the link is correctly formatted and your browser data is fresh, check whether Wix is experiencing a service issue. Visit status.wix.com and look for current incidents or maintenance notices that could affect links, buttons, or site navigation. If there's an active alert, the best move is to wait for Wix to complete the fix before testing again. Finally, if the problem persists, contact Wix support. Use the support portal to submit a ticket and include the essentials: the exact page and element with the issue, what happens when it's clicked, any error messages you see, the browsers or devices you tested, and the troubleshooting you've already tried. Clear, specific details help the support team pinpoint the cause and get you a faster resolution. That's it. By verifying the link format, refreshing your browser data, checking Wix service status, and reaching out with precise details when needed, you'll restore smooth navigation across your site. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.